In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create transparent text intro in Canva. We're building that eye-catching effect where a video plays through your text, framed by a grungy texture. Start by opening a video template in Canva so your canvas is already sized for motion. With your page open, head to Elements. In the search bar, type grunge. This gives you textured graphics that will act as the surface your text is cut from, adding character and depth. Click See All to browse the options, then pick any grunge graphic you like. Drop it onto your canvas and resize it into a strong rectangle. Think of this as your backdrop panel. Make it large enough to command the frame while leaving breathing room at the edges. Now switch to text and choose Add a heading. Type your word or short title. Change the font to something bold for maximum readability through motion. A heavy sans serif like Anton works great. Next, change the text color to white. This contrast helps the next steps work cleanly. Resize and reposition your text so it's centered and sized to taste. Bigger letters give more space for the underlying video to show through. Click Share and download your design as a PNG. Wait for the download to finish, then upload that PNG back into Canva. To avoid confusion, delete the previous items from your canvas so you're working on a clean page. Insert the newly uploaded image, enlarge it, and scale it to fill the entire canvas. With the image selected, click Background Remover. Give it a moment to process. The goal is to strip away the flat areas so the text and grunge edges remain as the visible frame. If the remover keeps or removes the wrong parts, use the Erase and Restore brushes to refine the result until the letters read cleanly and the grunge looks intentional. Note that Background Remover is available on certain Canva plans. Now, bring in your moving background. Go back to Elements or to Uploads if you already have your own clip, and search for a video. I'll type Nature, then click See All to browse options. Choose a clip and insert it. Enlarge the video to match the template size so it fills the frame edge to edge. Finally, send the video layer behind your grunge text image. You should now see motion appearing through the letters. Click Preview and watch it play. If needed, tweak text size or swap textures for